Hindi lang kasi ako maka-get over talaga. Siguro maraming nakaka-relate. Pumuputok na yung eyebags ko. Ganon din ba kayo? Let's go back to the time when Duterte was just a mayor of Davao City. Before the presidential election. 2016 to ha. Bago ako magpatuloy, panoorin nyo to.
Among the candidates right now, you've taken pot shots at all of them. Who do you think is most dangerous for the country?
Duterte.
Almost 40% of the entire vote from 2016 presidential election has voted for Duterte. And for sure, everyone knows his platform as a president. Kasi he was very vocal about his platform during his campaign period. And everyone's praying na sana maging Davao City ang buong Pilipinas. And it was not new to us kasi alam natin kung ano talaga ang mga ginawa niya sa Davao City. At alam lahat yan na mga kapartido ni Duterte. Pero ano nangyari ngayon? Yung ibang nagtiwala sa kanya at kapartido niya dati, tumiwalag. Anong tawag doon? Tapos ngayon magugulat ang buong Pilipinas. Tapos ngayon sisisihin si Duterte. Lesson for discontent? Huwag maging balimbing.